Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your TOSCIDO, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release you can release power key and keep holding only volume down, just like this. When you see this kind of Android robot laying down, just hold down power key and press volume up once, and you will end up in recovery mode. Here in the recovery mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.